Hello everyone, this is Victoria Chavez, and today I am going to be showing you how to change the desktop theme on your computer with the Windows 10 operating system. So the first thing you're going to do is take your mouse and select an open space anywhere on your desktop, and you'll right click, and we're going to go down to Personalize and click on that. Then from your selection here on the left hand side, we're going to pick Themes and click on there. And you can see that there are already a few choices here of themes that have already been downloaded to this computer, but we want something different. So we're going to click on Get More Themes in the Store. This brings up a huge selection of themes, and I'm going to expand this window by clicking on the box in the upper right hand corner here. And then we can just start scrolling down and seeing all of the wonderful themes. You can see that these are all free and they're listed alphabetically. So today I'm just going to go ahead and select Colorful Birds, and I double clicked on that, and you can scroll down again. It gives you a preview of some of the screenshots available on that, and this is nice and colorful and fun. So we'll go ahead and switch to that. So we're going to select Get, and you can see here that the computer pretty much does all the work for you. It's going to start downloading that automatically and installing it automatically. So the installation is done. We're going to select Launch, and it takes you back to our themes section. So we can see here that the current theme is Hawaiian Vacation. So we're now going to click on Colorful Birds, and the theme changed to Colorful Birds. So we can minimize the screen by selecting the little dash here in the upper right hand corner. Minimize the other screen that we chose Colorful Birds. And now you can see that the desktop has changed to the Colorful Birds theme. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.